안녕 여러분! Welcome to Ginyn! So, it's going to be a brand new series where I will be reviewing short films from Terafty. First of all, what is Terafty? Well, they're a platform that empowers short filmmakers all over Korea and the world actually, gives them a spotlight. What we will do is, I will pick a word or a scene. Whenever that word or scene plays out, I will take a shot of soju. Korean entertainment in general is generally fun, and it's even more fun when you have drinks or snacks with you, right?
Yummy!
So that's the whole background why I'm doing this. Promise, it's not just an excuse to drink. Maybe you want to follow along, so take a shot with me. I actually didn't know what the plot of this short film is. I only knew the title. So it's Taste of Grapes, and so the first word would be apa, okay, or abuji. Then we'll take a shot. Okay, game. Start. Very typical Korean apartment vibe. Why is he sleeping in the couch? How many did you give? Is that like the standard allowance? Oh, poor kid. The picture looks young. Can you really say that with kids, like that alcohol tastes good? Because, wow, I didn't know that Koreans were very open-minded like that at a young age. I know the drinking culture is very big, but like, I didn't know it started this young. They educated their kids pretty young. That would never fly in the Philippines, like very conservative, so is that alcohol? Why does it happen? I think it's
그리고 아버지랑 가족 사진 찍어오기 과제는
okay. He said 아버지랑 가족 something. It's about taking the picture in class. So since instead 아버지, I actually expected like Indyu to say it first, but the teacher said it first. Cheers! Obviously, alcohol.
안가?
Regular abushes. Why would he try wine? Wait. He said apa something. Cheers! Wow, he's having a drinking session with his daughter. Apa chingo. So he's really drinking with his daughter. Apa. Here. You know what? I have it ready. So this could be the next or the last. So let's see. See? Next and last. Cheers. I'm really curious how he ends up thinking of creating alcohol, similar to what the plot says. Like, the dad is usually very quiet and reserved, and then he becomes more talkative when he has had a drink. So maybe he wants his dad to like get a drink so that they can connect more. So let's see. And if you're interested about this short film, The Taste of Grapes, please log on to Terafty, look for the streaming tab and look for Taste of Grapes so that you can watch the short film yourself. This is one of the entries for the 2024 Terafty short film competition, and I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section if you have any thoughts about the short film. 안녕, 여러분!